guys. So, are we living on a globe spinning at 1,000 kilometers an hour, or do we live on a flat Earth? Well, let's just use our brain for a moment and just look at the photo behind us. If we think about earthquakes, the way it generally works is the Earth is perfectly still, obviously, and the slightest movement, the Richter scale works, or the seismograph picks up the movement. So you've just got to ask the simple question: if the Earth was spinning at 1,000 kilometers an hour, wouldn't the Richter scale pick this up and be going crazy? And the idea of it moving back in two, it means while the Earth was spinning, not only spinning at 1,000 kilometers an hour, it would have to be going back in two as it's spinning 1,000 kilometers an hour, which would be chaotic. I mean, everything would just be chaos. So I think when you think of earthquakes, seismographs and the Richter scale, the way it works is the Earth is perfectly flat, not moving, and when the plates move slightly, it picks it up. So guys, the Earth must be flat. Have a quick look at this little video and have a think about that.
Earthquakes produce different types of seismic waves that can be identified on seismograms. But did you know that each seismograph station produces 3 different seismograms for each earthquake? Why is that? Doesn't one tell you how big the earthquake was? Earth's movement is 3-dimensional, and one component only reflects one direction of movement. If a station had only one component, you would only know about movement in one direction. Different instruments on the seismograph measure 3 types of motion: up-down or vertical motion, north-south motion, and east-west motion. Let's take a close-up, exaggerated look at how a house would be affected by each direction of motion. When the house is shaken in the east-west direction, this shows up on the lower component. Nothing is recorded on the north-south or vertical components. When the house shifts north-south, this shows up on the second line. When the house is shaken in an up-down or vertical motion, only the top seismogram records the motion. During an actual earthquake, the house can move in all directions. Why is that?